English medium school learn online classes. Myself, Jyoti Varpe. In previous lecture, we have completed noun topic. Today, we will learn what is the alphabetical order and how to arrange it. Alphabetical order means ABC order. In English, there are 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I up to Z. These all are 26 letters of the alphabets. Now we will learn how to arrange alphabetical order. See on my board. I write some words on the board. These words means it is a names. First word Nita, second word Priya, third word Jyoti, Salma, Harpreet and Prem. These all are the names. Now we arrange this word according to the letters of the alphabets. So we will find here. First we find here which word start from the first letter of the alphabet, means A. Which word start from the A? No one word here start from the A. Second word B. Which word start from the B? No one word start from B. Then C. Which word start from C? D, F, E, then F. F word start, any word start from the F. So we write first word friendly. After F, G. Which word start from G? No. H, Harpreet. Harpreet word start from the H. After H, I. No one start from the I. J, Jyoti. Jyoti word start from the J. So we write third word Jyoti. After J, K, L, M, N, S. Nita word start from the N. So next word Nita. After N, O, P, yes, Priya. Priya word start from the T. So we write next word Priya. Then after P, our only one word remain. P, after P, Q. Q, no one start from the Q. R, no, then S. Salma word start from the S. Salma. We write the 6 word according to the letters of the alphabet. Premi, Harpreet, Jyoti, Nita, Priya and Salma. Student, we will see the next example of the alphabetical order. Student, if 2 or more words beginning with the same letters at that time, you must look at the second letter of the words. I write some words on the board. These all words, look at these all words. These words means it is a names, and these all words start from the same letter S. So you must look at the second letter of the word. In first word, U is a second letter. In second letter, H is, in second word, H is a second letter. 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 H is a second le then A. A is the second letter of the word. Then T. So you must look at the second letter of the word. So now we will arrange alphabetical order. Which word have second letter A? Salim. So we write Salim word first. After A, B, no. C, which one have second letter C? No. D, E, F, no. G, H, yes. In that word, Sham have H is a second letter. So we write second word Sham. After H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, yes. Sohan. So we write Sohan word next. After O, P, Q, R, S, T, yes. Standing. In that next word we write standing. U, yes. Sunil. Sunil is the last word. Now student, you observe this word, how to arrange the alphabetical order. Student, you write down these both types of alphabetical order in your notebook and understand it, how to arrange the alphabetical